my great pleasure to introduce to you Manjul Bagwa. Professor Manjul Bagwa is a very well-known Indian, Canadian, American citizen who has received several awards, and the most famous one is the Fields Medal. And Professor Manjul Bagwa will tell us something maybe a bit uncommon and a bit surprising. He will be talking about poetry, drumming, and mathematics, of course.
What a lot of people don't know is that mathematics actually has many of its origins in the arts, in music, in poetry. As a musician, this theory is very important. If you have 8 beats of time left, a lot of the Indian music repertoire has been influenced by the ancient poetry. So a lot of musical repertoire has mimicked the kinds of rhythms that occur in Sanskrit poetry and in ancient Indian poetry. And so a lot of times as a drummer, I might have to be sitting on stage, there are 8 beats of time left, and the theme at the moment is this dichotomy between long and short. And there are 8 beats of time left, and I need to improvise an 8-beat rhythm using just longs and shorts. And so I need to know how many ways I can do that, and I need to just be able to generate them. And then, so that's the mathematical aspect of what one needs to do as a drummer. But then of course there's the artistic aspect. Which ones of those 30, so I know there are 34 ways now, and I've practiced all of them. And now when I'm on stage, stuff has been happening on stage for a while, and I need to extract from those 34 the ones that I want to tell the story and fit the mood of that moment. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to try to figure out your cards. 6 of spades. All right. This, of course, has to do with mathematics, and in fact, the mathematics that I told you about today.
Each language has different connotation. They've got different type of syllables. So, how does it fit into other languages apart from Sanskrit?
Right. But for some of the other things I talked about, like counting the number of rhythms, counting the number of poetic meters that have a given number of stressed and unstressed syllables, that, of course, could be adapted to any language, and those same counts would still apply. So, yeah, thank you very much for your attention. I'll stop here. Thanks so much.